Hi friends, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are fine today. So I have come here today with another quick recipe, which is a beetroot lip balm. I had shared a strawberry lip balm with you all, some time back, and I got a lot of people asking me to share beetroot lip balm. So on that request, I am sharing this video today, and we'll be making this beetroot lip balm. For that, here I have my melted butters and waxes, which my melted butter and oil, which is already heated here, and I have my beeswax here, which I will be heating. So I'll just get this before we heat the beeswax. We have our beetroot powder here, which I have taken. Now we will first mix the beetroot powder with the oils and the butters before we add the beeswax in this. So I have taken a little more than 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder for this quantity that I have here, and I will just mix it well so that there are no lumps left in this mixture. Last time when I had made a strawberry scrub, I had shared the recipe. There were little bit lumps of this strawberry powder. So I thought of mixing this first with the oil so that we don't have any lumps left here. So we'll mix it well. So here I have mixed my beetroot powder with the oils and butters here. I hope you can see it. It's very well mixed. There are no lumps, nothing to be seen here. So, and I have also melted my beeswax. It's already melted. It's a little hot here. So now we will add the beeswax into this oil and beetroot powder mixture. Okay, so I have added the beeswax and now we'll give it a mix. It's already beginning to thicken. Okay, so here the beeswax is also melted in the oils and the beetroot powder. If you can just see how it has got blended together. And before this cools down and again becomes thick, we need to put it in our bottle, in whatever container we want to put it. Also we need to wait a little for the temperatures to be a little cooler before we add our flavor oil into our lip balm. So here I'll be using a cotton candy flavor oil. I will just add a few drops of that when the mixture is a little cool. We just don't need to make it very cool, otherwise it will be very difficult for us to pour this. Okay, so I'll just put my few drops of flavor oil here. And you have to check on the proportion that is mentioned on the flavor oil, how many drops you need to add as per the quantity that you're making when you're adding your flavor oil. Okay, so now this is mixed well and I will just be pouring it into my container. I have small containers here to fill this up. Right, and once the lip balm cools down, I will quickly show you a demo as well, how it has turned out to be, how is the effect of it on the skin. So we'll just wait for some time till the lip balm cools down. Okay friends, so now this is almost cooled, the beetroot lip balm, and I'll just show you how the texture is with the one that is already a little cooled. I've just taken a little lip balm here, if you can see it, and I will just apply this to my skin. how we generally put our normal lip balm. And after applying, can you see the shine? So this is how the lip balm will look, the beetroot lip balm, when you apply it. It's not going to give you a pink color because you will not get, since although this looks purplish pink, but you will not get this color on your lips because it's not a pigment or a mica that we are using. So this will be a normal transparent color, but you will definitely get the benefits of the beetroot powder that is there in this lip balm. It is extremely nourishing and moisturizing. It will help you keep your lips healthy, pink, and if you use it on regular basis, you will definitely see the result of this beetroot lip balm. So if you can try this out, it's a very simple recipe, very simple lip balm. Instead of buying it from the stores or anywhere else, you can quickly make this at home. I hope you've liked my video, friends, and if you've liked it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so the moment I put any new videos, you get a notification of it. Thank you so much, friends. Bye.